Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everybody, all of you. It is mandatory that you all join the class every day. Just waiting for you all to join. So let's come to the point. Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Now, children,
Good
do you have any problem in any of the other chapter which we have discussed last time? Are you facing any problem over there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today, as I gave you chapter number 2, isn't it? For learning. Are
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
ready?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when we are talking about this chapter, this is your second chapter, that is nutrition in living organisms, animals and man. Children, any of the topic related to this chapter, if you have not understood while I was teaching, then if you have any queries, you can tell just now. Then after clarifying your doubts, we will just proceed to the revision topic. Anybody?
Okay, ma'am.
If you are having any problem, any doubt in any of the topic. Nobody is having any problem in this chapter regarding any
No,
topic
ma'am.
because you are not coming forward. Okay, then let us come to the revision topic. And very few students join the classes. It is just disgusting. If we are meeting through virtual meet, which is the process which we have to follow in this COVID period, then why all of you are not joining? Ankur, please keep a record.
Okay, ma'am.
And D section, the class monitor. Tomorrow I'll discuss in the WhatsApp about it regarding your attendance. Now here, what are autotrophs?
Ma'am, can I say, Diksha?
Yes, say. What are autotrophs? Come in front. Open your camera.
Okay, ma'am. Plants which can prepare their own food and are called autophorous.
Autotrophs. They are known as autotrophs. Next term is your. What are heterotrophs? Daniel, Rehan.
Yes,
Daniel,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Mode of nutrition in which organisms do not prepare their own food. They derive their food from plants or animal or both. Are known as heterotrophic.
Okay. Those organisms or those animals which cannot prepare their food but depend on other plants and animals, they are known as heterotrophs. Now next is, according to the food habit, the animals are divided into how many categories?
Ma'am,
According to the food habit.
Ma'am,
three categories.
Ma'am, three.
Ma'am, 3 categories.
Herbivorous, carnivorous, or omnivorous.
Yes. Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. These
Omnivores.
are the three categories according to the taking up of food. Now, next, who will define omnivore? Anshika Sagar. Anshika Sagar.
Yes, ma'am. The animal that bear and eat both plants and animals material is called omnivorous. For example, cow. Crow,
Okay,
ma'am.
correct. Okay. It is animal that can eat both animals and plant material are known as omnivore. Can you all just give example? Anshika, you just give the example.
Ma'am, crow.
Yes. Well,
Ma'am, crow and fox.
okay, crow. Correct.
Ma'am,
Human being
can
is
I?
also omnivore.
Human.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Who is asking?
Human being, a dog, cat.
Tell your name.
Diksha.
Okay. Correct. Next, according to the mode of nutrition, the animal can be, these organisms can be divided into How many categories?
Three
Now
categories.
next is
Category.
Ankush.
categories.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Parasitic and chronic
Ma'am,
nutrition.
there are three types of nutrition. Ma'am, saprotrophic
What are they?
nutrition, holozoic nutrition, and parasitic nutrition.
Okay, correct. Define one of them.
Ma'am, holozoic nutrition. Ma'am, this is a mode of nutrition in human beings and amoeba in which they eat food maybe in solid or liquid state, and then this food is taken into the body and then it is broken down to provide the required nutrition. And this is known as
Okay.
holozoic nutrition.
Okay, next. Saprotrophic, Honey Kumari.
Ma'am,
Honey. Honey,
yes,
Honey,
ma'am.
please tell what is saprotrophic nutrition?
Ma'am, organism that obtain on the dead and decaying plant and animal matter is known as saprotrophic nutrients.
Okay, very good. Can you give the example?
Ma'am, mushroom.
Okay, it is basically fungi and bacteria.
Bacteria.
That is also correct. Okay. Now, parasitic nutrition. Rupali.
see.
Rupali, all of you will get chance. Rupali Kumari.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mode of nutrition in which non-green plants
Rupali.
live on other green. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you tell. It's okay.
Mode of nutrition in which non-green plants live on other green plants and derive their food from them.
It is not only the plant, but it can be any organism. It can be regarding animals also. Okay? Not only plants.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, after that, we will come to nutrition in, the topic is nutrition in human. Please don't play while joining the class, children. If you are in the class, just pay attention. Now here, nutrition in human. Who can tell me what are the
Ma'am,
different
me.
steps that are
Ma'am, can
involved
I?
in nutrition in
Ma'am,
human?
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, very
Ma'am,
good.
can I?
Can I? Ma'am, can
Kinjal.
I?
Kinjal.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
all will get the chance. Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Kinjal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first ingestion, digestion, then absorption, assimilation, and at last egestion.
Yes, it is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Now one by one. Abhigya, you described ingestion. Abhigya Mishra.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat?
Abhigya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Describe ingestion, process of ingestion.
Ma'am, the process of taking in the food is known as ingestion.
And how does it take place in human? Just describe, elaborate it.
Ma'am, in human, it takes place through the mouth. Ma'am, where teeth helps. Ma'am, where the teeth helps in chewing the food, and tongues helps in.
Okay. Okay, it's correct. Now next is, who will answer next? Let me just select from your names. Ridhima. The next point you describe, digestion.
Yes, ma'am. The breaking down of food, complex molecules, food into a simple soluble form with the help of digestive juice is known as digestion.
Okay, correct. Manat, 7D Manat. What is
Yes,
absorption?
ma'am. The process by which digested food passes into the blood is known as absorption.
First of all, it will get absorbed, na? Manat, say that it is absorbed by the small intestine. Okay.
The process by which
Once
digested
again,
food passes.
Prakash Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't talk among yourself, children. Prakash Kumar, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You just explain absorption once again.
The digested food is absorbed by the wall of intestine from where it gets passed on to the blood. It's called absorption.
Okay. Okay. Correct. Gauri Kumari. Assimilation.
The process of using the absorbed food for growth and for producing energy is called assimilation.
Okay, correct. Now, Akanksha Jha. Are you there in the class, Akanksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Amarjeet. Akanksha is there. Okay, you
Yes,
explain
ma'am.
me egestion. Egestion you explain.
Ma'am, the
Why
act
are you
or
taking-
process of discharging undigested or waste material from a cell or organism is known as egestion. Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
correct. Good morning, but you are just late. Those who have joined the class, those who have joined just now, it is late. You just come on time. Good morning, but next is Simon. Simon, are you there? Simon? No. Anshika Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me, what is the alimentary canal made up of? What are the different parts of the alimentary canal?
Yes, ma'am. The alimentary canal are made up of following body parts: the vocal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus.
Yes. So this is the whole starting from the mouth, the digestive tract, which is coming from the mouth till the end of the digestive system, that is anus. Now, next is Amarjeet, are you there? Amarjeet Kumar. 7E.
Yes,
Aditya
ma'am.
Ranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Amarjeet, you tell me what is enamel? What is
Ma'am, repeat.
enamel?
Enamel.
Why are you all taking so much of time to answer? Amarjeet, please respond quickly. Siza, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what is enamel? Enamel.
Ma'am, teeth are covered with white, strong and shiny protective material. That is called enamel.
Okay. Then what is its function? What does this enamel do?
Ma'am, it protects our teeth.
Okay. Now next. Define milk teeth or baby teeth. Rupali. Rupali Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
You define milk teeth or baby teeth.
Ma'am, milk teeth is set of teeth in baby. Adult human typically have 36 teeth, 16 in upper
Adult.
jaw and 16 in lower jaw.
Is it
Yes, ma'am.
present in adult? Milk teeth is present in adult?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, not at all. No. Srishti Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Srishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you define Srishti? Milk teeth or baby teeth?
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
The first set of teeth that are 20 small teeth, also is milk teeth.
and when does it come out? At the age of
6 years.
6 years.
It is,
8
ma'am, at
months,
6 years.
6 months to 5-6 years. Okay. Then next, what are permanent teeth? It's very simple questions. These are very simple questions which can be answered within a fraction of the second. Janvi
By the time
Secondary.
a child is around 6
Janvi, are you there?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
answer.
Can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Diksha.
Answer.
By
Okay,
the
Diksha,
time.
I think you are interested. Diksha,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me what are permanent teeth.
Okay, ma'am. By the time a child is around 6 years old, a second set of 32 larger teeth called permanent teeth come out from the gums and replace the milk teeth.
Okay. Next. Next, how many types of teeth does the humans have?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Can I?
Can I?
Ma'am, Kinjal. Ma'am, may I? May I?
Ma'am, can I?
I'll give you a chance.
Ma'am, there are
Ankur, you
four.
tell.
Ma'am, incisors, canines, premolars, and molars.
Okay, now, Abhigya, you just describe about incisors.
Ma'am, incisors.
Why are you taking so much of time?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, Kinjal.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Kinjal,
Ma'am,
what are incisors?
Yes, ma'am. Incisors are used for cutting and biting the food.
Okay, now canines.
Ma'am, can I? Are used for
Ma'am, Diksha. Ma'am, Diksha.
Used for cutting
Don't
Ma'am,
speak
can I,
together.
Ridhima?
Diksha, don't speak together. I've asked Prakash. Prakash,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
tell.
canine are using for trying of food. Caring for food.
Hearing of food.
Yes, ma'am.
Premolars.
Can I
Premolars.
say?
Honey,
Ma'am, can I?
honey,
Ma'am,
honey.
how can I?
Just listen the name and response.
Ma'am, premolar
Honey,
teeth are
Kumari,
used for
premolar.
grinding the teeth. Ma'am, grinding the food.
Premolars and molars both are used for grinding of
Grading the food.
Okay. Now, which is the hardest substance known?
Enamel.
Manas.
Animal.
Canine.
Enamel.
What does it chemically? What does it contain? That
Ma'am,
enamel
calcium and
is in the-
magnesium.
Ma'am, calcium and
Calcium and
magnesium and a
magnesium.
protein known as
Ma'am,
keratin.
protein.
Calcium, magnesium, and keratin, which is a part of type of protein. Now describe about tongue.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I Abhigya?
Okay, Abhigya, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tongue is the part of oral cavity. Ma'am, tongue is the muscular organs attached to the buccal cavity. Ma'am, it is free to move and its front and end where it can move in all directions. The tongue helps us to taste. It also helps us to swallow the food.
Okay, correct. So in this chapter, the diagram of buccal cavity and tongue, both are important. Just mark it.
मैम क्रिएटिन का मतलब क्या होता है? क्रिएटिन का मतलब मैम?
Just once again, children.
मैम
Keratin
क्रिएटिन.
is a chemical. It is, you will not know the exact meaning. It is a type of protein. You just don't try to know the exact meaning. It is a variety of protein. Like what do will you say about calcium? Calcium का मतलब क्या होगा? It is a part of the chemical composition. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Keratin एक protein का नाम है. ठीक है? Next. Name a flap that covers the windpipe.
Epiglottis.
Ma'am, epiglottis.
Epiglottis.
It is epiglottis. EPIGLOTTIS. Epiglottis.
Epiglottis.
Epiglottis.
Yes. Now, what is the alternative name of food pipe? And what is its function?
Esophagus.
Esophagus.
Ridhima, explain about it.
Esophagus.
Esophagus.
And what is its function?
Ma'am, it helps.
Food
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is a tube that connects the buccal cavity to and the
That
stomach.
connects the buccal cavity to
You
the
know,
stomach.
food from stomach to.
It is just a pipe-like structure which transports the chewed or masticated food into the stomach, which carries the chewed food into the stomach. Then we will come to stomach. Who will describe about the stomach?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I?
can I?
Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Angel.
The stomach
Angel,
is
afterward
divided.
you will get the chance.
The stomach
Daniel,
is divided.
describe about the stomach.
Yes, ma'am. The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is a thick wall, sac-like muscular organ. It receives food from the esophagus and passes it into the small intestine.
Okay. And what are the different juices that are secreted by this small intestine, stomach?
Ma'am, bile.
Anshika, you tell.
Ma'am,
Anshika Sagar.
gastric juice, hydrochloric acid.
And mucus and enzymes. All these things collectively work on the food for the digestion, for the breaking down. Now, after that, we will describe about the small intestine.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Who
can I?
is going to
Ma'am,
tell?
can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Gauri.
Can I?
Gauri. After Gauri? No, Caesar. Caesar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Caesar, you describe about small intestine.
Ma'am, small intestine is about 7 meters long. It helps in digestion by using 3 types of secretions.
Tell, what are those secretions?
Ma'am, secretion from liver, secretion from pancreas, and secretion from small intestine. Ma'am, liver is the largest gland in the body, and it secretes bile juice that is stored in a bag-like structure called gallbladder. And pancreas secretes pancreatic juice that acts on carbohydrates, protein, and fats. And small intestine secretes intestinal juice, which help in digestion of carbohydrates, protein, and fats.
Okay. Now, after Kinjal, you just tell me, how does in what chemicals does these food materials that we take, like carbohydrate, protein, fat, how does it get converted? Like carbohydrate get converted into? Kinjal, are you ready?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
I? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
ma'am,
She's
secretion
telling.
from the liver.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait,
the
wait.
bile juice. Ma'am, the bile juice helps in the
No, I'm not talking
digestion
about
of.
bile juice. Kinjal, first take my question. I'm asking about what is the conversion of carbohydrate into which chemical it just get broken down, and protein and fat.
Okay, ma'am.
Explain each about each of them.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Okay, ma'am. The carbohydrates are digested into sugar and glucose, and proteins are digested into amino acids, and fats are digested into fatty acids and glycerol.
Yes, glycerol. Instead of digested, you can say broken. Okay. Arushi Singh. Arushi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you just describe about the absorption of digested food in small intestine. How is it absorbed in the small intestine? What is the special structure over there?
Ma'am, what? Repeat the question. Your voice is not.
How is the digested food absorbed by the small intestine? What is the special structure over there that helps in digestion?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Voice is not coming. All of you can't hear
Ma'am,
me.
your voice is coming. Yes, ma'am.
It is
ma'am,
clear.
your voice is
Voice is
clear.
coming.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prakash, you tell me what is the how is this process of absorption of the digested food completed by the small intestine?
Yes, ma'am.
Not getting my question?
The interwall of the small intestine absorbs the digestion food. It has a large number of finger-like protection. Is called villi.
Villi.
The villi increases the
And the villi increase
the effective surface area from absorption of digestion food. This absorption food
absorbed food just passes to the
blood vessels present in the villi.
Okay, in this way, so children, there is the finger-like projections which are known as villi, which helps the absorption area of the food, and after absorption they convert it into blood.
Yes.
Then, Ankur, you tell me about large intestine. What is the function of large intestine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the small intestine absorbs the food, then the remaining food and the water is absorbed by the large intestine. And the remaining leftover waste food is then released into is then passes to the rectum in the form of facial, and then the faces are eliminated through anus. And this process is called elimination.
Okay. Now, who will describe? Abhigya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me what are ruminants?
Ma'am, what are ruminants? Yes, ma'am.
What are
Ma'am,
ruminants?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the rumination happens in the
Okay, Riddhi
Ma'am,
ma'am,
can I?
please try.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I?
Riddhi
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the curd chewing
the
the
ruminants.
curd chewing herbivore animals are called ruminants. Example: cow, camel, buffalo, etc.
Okay, Diksha, what is the first chamber of this? First chamber of this ruminants known as in the inside the stomach?
Ma'am, can I?
Rumen.
Rumen, yes. Which is the, what is rumination? Prakash, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the ruminated lies on bring this curd back to their mouth and chewing it thoroughly. This process is called rumination.
Okay. Now, what is the, ruminants have a spacious bag-like structure. What is, okay, you tell me what is the, which organism is present in the cecum of these ruminants? Honey, which organism is there, present there in the cecum of these ruminants for further digestion?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, those who
Can I?
know the answer, you can tell. Sita,
Ma'am,
bolo, honey, tell.
ma'am, bacteria.
Yes, it is bacteria. Now, what is the,
Bacteria.
yes, it is correct. Now, how is the nutrition in amoeba taking place? Mannat, can you answer? Mannat? Rupali? Okay,
Can I?
Rupali. Yes, anybody who knows the answer,
Ma'am, can I,
please,
Abhigya?
quickly.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
can I, Ankuran?
Ma'am, can I, Abhigya?
Anybody, tell.
Ma'am, amoeba. Ma'am,
How
amoeba.
is